Then today present 4 members. And this week exam is there, sequence and series. Competitive exam. KSET and mains.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Nagbhushan, Gopal Krishna and Priyanka.
Yes, sir.
How are you, Priyanka?
Fine, sir.
Okay. Then AM, GM, HM already is over. If 1 comma log base 3 square root 3 power 1 minus x plus 2 log base 3 power 4 into 3 power x minus 1 are in AP. Then x is equal to option A log base 3 4 power of 4, option B 1 minus log base 3 power of 4 log 1 minus log base 4 power 3, option D log base 4 power 3. To Nagbhushan, Priyanka. If A comma B comma C are in AP, then 2B is equal to A plus C, right?
Yes.
If A comma B comma C are in AP, then 2B is equal to A plus C. A, B, C. Very, very important problem. Three power 1 minus x plus 2 plus 2. Saturday KSET and Sunday mains. Done. Complete, Nagbhushan?
Sir, I'm not getting any of them. Sir, I'm getting log 3 11 by 12.
Log 3 11 by 12.
Yes.
Wrong. Gopal Krishna?
Sir, I'm still doing it.
See, 2u log base 3 power of square root 3 power 1 minus x plus 2 is equal to a 1 plus log base 3 power 4 into 3 power x minus 1, right, Nagbhushan? Here 1, no?
Yes, sir. We can.
Log base 3 power 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Here since power log base 3 square root 3 power 1 minus x plus 2 whole square. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then square root get cancelled is equal to log base 3 power 3 plus log base 3 power 4 into 3 power x minus 1. Then write log base 3 power 1 minus x plus 2 is equal to log base 3 log a plus log b.
Log AB.
Log ab.
AB.
3 into 4 into 3 power x minus 1. Okay. Then 3 power 1 minus x plus 2. 1 minus x plus 2 is equal to.
Sir, it's not there in power. It's there in.
Wait. Okay. Plus 2. Then 3 into 4 into 3 power x minus 1. Okay, Nagbhushan?
Yes.
Then after that, 3 multiply. 3 4 are 12. 12 into 3 power x. 3 power x into 3. 3 power x into.
Already did 12, right? So we don't need to worry about it.
12, 3 power x into 3 minus 3. Right?
Sir, 12 into 3 power x. That's it, sir. Another 3 won't come.
Okay. 12 into 3 power x minus 3. Minus 3. Here 3 power x. 3 into
3 by 3 power x.
3 by 3 power x. 3 by 3 power x plus 2. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now 3 power x is equal to, let us take
8.
t or y. Let 3 power x is equal to y. Now substituting here. Hmm. Three by y plus 2 is equal to 12y minus 3, right? Now here 3 plus 2y upon y is equal to 12y minus 3. Now 3 plus 2y is equal to 12y square minus 3y. Now here 12y square minus 5y minus 3 is equal to 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Then factors 12 3s are 36, middle term is 5.
Sir, I used minus b plus minus b square by 4 is by 2a.
Minus 5y, yeah?
Yes, sir. Sir, when I did it, I'm getting it as minus 1 by 2 or 22 by 24.
Minus 1 by 2 or
22 by 24.
22 by 24. Five plus or minus under root b square minus 4 into 12 into c minus 3 upon 2 into a 12. Now y is equal to 5 plus or minus under root 25 plus 48 into 3,
144.
44 upon 24. Then 169, right? 5 plus or minus under root
Okay, yes, sir.
169
Yes, sir.
upon 24. Then
Sorry,
169,
sir.
13.
No, correct. Yes, sir.
13,
I did a
169.
mistake. Sir, I did a mistake, sir.
Okay. Y is equal to plus or minus 13 upon 24, right? Now y is equal to 5 plus 13 upon 24 and 5 minus 13 upon 24. Then y is equal to 18. 18 upon 24 comma, then 5 minus 13. 5 minus 13, 8. Minus 8 upon 24. Okay. 2 9s are 2 12s are. Then 3 3s are 3 4s are. Now y is equal to 3 by 4 and 2 4s are 2 12s are 2 2s are 2 6s are 2 1s are 2 3s are. Then here 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3.
Minus 1 upon 3.
3 by 4 comma minus 1 upon 3. Now here y is equal to 3 power x is equal to y. Let now here 3 power x 3 power x 3 power x is equal to 3 by 4 and 3 power x is equal to minus 3 by 4 is does not exist. Then 3 by 4 is equal to
Sir, 1 minus
x is
3, 4.
x is
Sir, 1 minus log 4 base 3.
yes, correct. Here x is equal to log base 3 power 3 by 4, right?
Yes, sir.
X is equal to log base 3 power 3 by 4. Now here 3 by 4 a by b. A by b form log base 3 power 3 minus log base 3 power 4. Log a minus log b. Correct? Now
Yes.
x is equal to 1 minus log base 3 power 4. Which option is right option?
Sir,
Option B is the right option. Option B. Note down. First one, first part, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Done, Priyanka?
Yes, sir.
Okay, SS.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second one. Fifth term of a AP. Fifth term of a GP is 2. Then the product of its, then the product of its 9 terms. 9 terms is option A 256, option B 512, option C 1024, option D none of these.
option B.
Yes, correct. Option B is the right option. Done, all of you done? Priyanka?
Just a minute.
Hmm. Second one done. Ashes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Priyanka.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which option is correct?
Sir?
Tell.
Sir, is it option A?
Yes, correct. Absolutely correct. X is equal to sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity a power n is equal to mod a is less than 1. Then it becomes 1 upon 1 minus a. Y is equal to sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity b power n is equal to 1 upon 1 minus b. Z is equal to sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity c power n is equal to 1 upon 1 minus c. Then mod b is less than 1, mod c is less than 1. Then that implies here 1 minus a is equal to 1 upon x, right? 1 minus b is equal to 1 upon y. 1 minus c is equal to 1 upon z,
Yes, sir.
right? Then here b a is equal to a is equal to 1 minus 1 upon x. B is equal to 1 minus 1 upon y. C is equal to 1 minus 1 upon z, right? Since a comma b comma c, since a comma b comma c are in AP, a comma b comma c are in AP, 1 minus 1 upon x comma 1 minus 1 upon y comma 1 minus 1 upon z are in AP, right? Are in AP. Okay. Therefore, that implies minus 1 by x comma minus 1 by y comma minus 1 by z are in AP. Now here 1 upon x, 1 upon y, 1 upon z are in AP. That implies x comma y comma z are in HP. Reciprocal of AP. Understood? Gopal Krishna?
Yes, sir, I understood.
Okay. Done. In last week, Nagabhushan, you got 56, right? Out of 60. Guess it?
Sir, I got 58.
58. Okay. Good. Wonderful. This time also try 58 or 60.
Okay, sir, I'll try.
I got mains, not case it. You get case mains 20 plus out of 25. And Gopal Krishna also 56, 55. Gopala?
Yes, sir, I got 56.
56. Okay, good. And Himanshu 45 or 46? Done?
Done, sir.
Okay. If A1 comma A2 comma so on AN are in HP, then the expression A1 A2 plus A2 A3 plus so on plus AN minus 1 AN is equal to option A n minus 1 into A1 AN, option B n into A1 minus AN, option C n minus 1 into A1 minus AN, option D n into A1 AN. Understood problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here, if A1, A2, so on AN are in HP, then the expression A1, A2 plus A2, A3 plus so on plus AN minus 1 into AN is equal to. Since A1, A2, AN are in HP, 1 upon A1, comma, 1 upon A2, comma, so on 1 upon AN are in AP, reciprocal of HP. Then which option is right option? These problems and all mains problems, not case it, mains.
Sir,
Tell, Nagbhushan.
sir, can we use mathematical induction?
Which one?
Sir, for this we
No,
can
no,
assume
no.
an example.
Direct property apply here. A1, A2 plus A2, A3 plus so on plus AN minus 1 into AN. What is the property? 1 upon A2 minus 1 upon A1 is equal to D, common difference. A1 minus A2 upon A2 minus A2 into A1 is equal to D.
No.
1 upon A2 minus 1 upon A1 is equal to D. That implies
Sir, how can we use it here?
property here in place of A1, A2. A1 minus A2 upon A1, A2 is equal to D. Right? Here A1, A2, A1 minus A2 is equal to D into A1, A2. That implies 1 upon D into A1 minus A2 is equal to A1, A2. Understood? Nagbhushan?
Yes, sir.
Now whole expression 1 upon D into A1 minus A2. Here A2 minus A3 plus on AN minus 1 minus AN. Since 1 upon D into A1 minus AN. All typical problem, important problem.
Sir, answer is A.
Yes, correct. Correct, Nagbhushan. Multiply and divided by n minus 1. Here denominator d into n minus 1. d into n minus 1. 1 upon an minus 1 upon a1. Correct? Since here 1 upon an is equal to 1 upon a1 plus n minus 1 into d. Here n minus 1 into a1 minus an. Now n minus 1. Oh, here t is not there. Okay. N minus 1 into a1 an.
Yes, sir.
Done, all of you? Understood, Priyanka? Here denominator take LCM. a1 minus an get cancel. Numerator and denominator. Then n minus 1 into a1 into an.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Then next problem.
Done. Sir.
Okay. Next, in a GP consisting of positive terms, each term equals the sum of the next two terms, sum of the next two terms, then common ratio, common ratio, common ratio of the GP. GP is option A 1 upon 2 into 1 minus root 5. Option B 1 by 2 root 5. Option C root 5. Option D 1 by 2 root 5 minus 1.
Sir, option D.
Hmm?
Option D.
Correct, Nagabhushan.
Sir, I used Fibonacci series.
Okay. Then GP apply. T1 is equal to T2 plus T3. T1 is A is equal to AR plus AR square. Then here A cancel now. 1 is equal to R plus R square. That implies R square plus R minus 1 is equal to 0. Then apply quadratic equation. R is equal to minus B plus R minus under root B square minus 4AC upon 2A. Now R is equal to apply minus 1 plus R minus 1 plus R minus under root 1 minus 4 into 1 into minus 1 upon 2. Then R is equal to minus 1 plus R minus under root 1 plus 4 upon 2 is equal to minus 1 plus R minus under root 5 upon 2. R is equal to. Now here R is equal to root 5 minus 1 upon 2 comma root 5 minus root 5 minus 1 upon 2. R is equal to. Then R is greater than 0, right? Now here root 5 minus 1 upon 2. Understood?
Understood, sir.
Okay. Done all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let AN be the nth term of an AP if sigma R is equal to 1 to 100, A to R is equal to alpha, and sigma R is equal to 1 to 100, A to R minus 1 is equal to beta. Then the common difference of of the AP is
Sir, no options.
options is there. Wait. Option A, alpha minus beta upon 200. Option B, alpha minus beta. Option C, alpha minus beta upon 100. Option D, beta minus alpha.
Sir, option C.
Option C.
Yes, sir.
Yes, correct. Done? Done, Gopala?
No, sir, I'm doing.
Hmm.
Sir,
Hmm.
it should be sir, it should be A1, A3,
Hmm.
AI dot A199 is equal to beta.
A to A4, right? A to A4, A6, so on
200.
200. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir, is equal to alpha.
Is equal to alpha. Then A1 plus A3 plus A5 plus so on plus A100. correct?
Sir, 199.
199. 199. A 199 is equal to beta. Beta is equal to
Sir, I got it, sir.
hmm, and alpha is equal to 100 upon 2 into A1 plus A 200, right?
Sir, I didn't do like this. I subtracted alpha and beta. So,
200, sorry, here 200.
sir, instead of doing this, we can subtract algebraically, right? Alpha minus beta is A2 minus A1, A4 minus A3.
Then solving these two, then we will get answer, no? Subtracting, sorry.
Yes.
Subtracting 1 and 1 minus 2.
Yes, sir, we get it.
Subtracting 1 minus 2. Then we will get answer. Option C. Next problem. Let X be the AM and YZ be the 2 GMs between any two positive numbers, between any two positive numbers, then y cube plus z cube upon xyz is equal to option A 2, option B 1, option C 3, option D 4. Which option is correct, Nagbhushan?
Sir, option A.
Yes, correct. Option A is the right option. So X be the AM. X is equal to A plus B by 2. Then YZ find. YZ be the 2 GMs, means YZ be the 2 GMs. 2 GMs. Now here A comma Y comma Z comma B are in A comma B comma C, A comma Y comma Z comma B are in GP. Now here B is equal to AR cube.
Sir, we won't have that much time in exam, no, sir. So can we assume different values? Like assume A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 4. We can do the problem, right?
Then Y is equal to AR and Z is equal to AR square.
Yes, sir. Then we can directly do the problem.
That is simple.
So what's the shorter method?
Y is equal to AR and Z is equal to AR.
Substitute different values, like assume A to be equal to 2 and B to be equal to 4, and X is equal to 2 plus 4 by 2. It will get 3. Then
this value is substituted.
4 is equal to 2R cube. So R is equal to cube root of 2. Then directly substitute in the given expression y cube
Yes, correct.
z cube by xyz.
Value of six, so on, n digits whole square plus 8 so on n digits is equal to option A. 4/9 into 10 to the power of n minus 1. Important problem. Option B, 4 by 9, 10 to the power of 2n minus 1 whole square. Option
So
C.
the other term is also squared.
No, 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 no. Other term is
Sir,
not square. First
8, 8,
term
8,
is,
8.
no, 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 that is not square.
Okay.
4 by 9, 10 to the power of n minus 1, 10 to the power of 2n minus 1, 4 by 9, option D, 4 by 9 into 4 by 9 into 10 to the power of n minus 1 whole square. Important problem.
So this is which level?
Mains level. Mains level.
Sir, option C.
Option
C.
yes, correct.
Sir,
Hmm.
also 44444
Hmm.
n digits,
Hmm.
88888 n digits.
Hmm.
At last one 9 is kept. Then that is a perfect square using this concept itself.
Okay, okay. Done, Priyanka, Gopala.
Sir, I'm doing, sir.
Hmm.
Even I'm doing.
Okay, okay.
Sir, option C.
Option C. Option C is right option, Nagbhushan.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. Next. Fifth and ninth terms of a non constant AP or in GP. Then common ratio of this GP is
So non-constant AP means a random progression.
random. Find common ratio. Second term, fifth term, ninth term. Second term is A plus D. Fifth term is A plus 4D. Ninth term is JE Main 2016. JE Main 2016.
So the first option is 4/3, no?
4/3.
Is it correct?
4/3 is the right option. Prajwal, 4/3
Yeah.
is the right.
Yeah, I got that only. No, I thought it was 4/5, so I was confused.
Okay,
I
okay.
got wrong.
Nagabhushan done?
Sir, doing it.
So you get A is equal to 8D.
8D. Okay, okay. Then here substituting. Here 9D, comma 812D, comma then 16D. R in GP. Then common ratio. Common ratio 12D upon 9D. DD get cancelled. 3 jar, 4 jar. 4/3. Done? Three positive numbers, three positive numbers form an increasing GP. If middle term is doubled doubled the new numbers, are in AP. Then common ratio of GP. Is JEE Main 2014. Option A, √2 plus √3. Option B, 3 plus √2. Option C, 2 minus √3. Option D, 2 plus √3.
Sir, in this question, only the middle number is doubled, right? Nothing else has changed.
Only middle
The
number.
first and third is the same.
Yes. 2B is equal to A plus C. A, 2AR, AR square are in AP. Then 2B is equal to A plus C. Then which option is right option? Nagabhushan?
Doing some.
Okay, okay. Prajwal?
Doing, I'm not getting.
Sir, answer is okay, sir. I won't.
Tell.
No, sir, no, sir.
Tell, Nagabhushan.
Sir, let others also do.
Okay.
I can't do it, sir, so let him tell.
Hmm?
Let him tell, sir. I can't do it.
Okay.
Sir, is it 2 plus or minus root 3?
2 plus or minus? R is
Yes,
equal
2
to?
plus root 3.
Huh? R is equal to?
2 plus root 3.
Yes, correct. Absolutely correct.
So how do you do it?
See, 4AR is equal to A plus AR square. A common. A cancel. Then 4R is equal to 1 plus R square. Now here equation R square minus 4R plus 1 is equal to 0. Then quadratic. R is equal to 4 plus R minus under root 16 minus 4 into 1 into 1 upon 2. 4 plus R minus under root 12 upon 2. Right? 12 means 2 root 3. R is equal to 4 plus R minus 2 root 3. 4 plus R minus 2 root 3 upon 2. 2 common. 2 get cancel. 2 plus R minus root 3. R is equal to. Then positive numbers form an increasing GP. Here R is equal to 2 plus R minus root 3. R is equal to 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. Then R is equal to 2 plus root 3 is the right. Root 3 value is 1.732, right? Then 2 plus 3 point something. Then here 2 minus root 3. Something 0.26. Right? Then R is equal to 2 plus root 3 is the right option. Prajwal, understood? Prajwal?
Understood, sir.
Okay.
I didn't. I took the numbers like this.
Okay.
Wrong.
Then time is over. Priyanka, understood, Priyanka? Hello? Okay. Complete.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Okay, thank you.